In this video, we're going to be reviewing one of the most popular CPAP machines on the market, the ResMed Airsense 10. I'm going to walk you through how to set this machine up, its key features and menu settings, and how to properly care for it, and discuss why, even after 10 years, this machine is still considered the standard in CPAP therapy. Hi everyone, I'm Diane, respiratory therapist here at Sleep Doctor. So what's the Airsense 10 all about? The Airsense 10 is an auto-set machine. That simply means the machine is auto-sensing to determine what pressures you need. It's sensing your breathing patterns to deliver the appropriate amount of CPAP pressure for you. It also has an internal memory, so it saves all of your data for 1 year. So what comes with this machine and how is it assembled? In your package, you're going to get your power cord, your machine, your water chamber, and a tube. Now to connect the machine, you simply need to put the power cord into the back of the device. Then you're going to connect your tube. So your tubing has a specific end that goes to the back of the device. Take the heat sensor and line it up here, and you're just going to push it in until it clicks. This does swivel left and right, so it's easy to move with you. Next is going to be your water chamber. So your water chamber is over here on the side of the device. You just slide this out, and then you're going to lift it up and put your distilled water inside. Fill it up to your fill line. Don't go over. You're simply going to insert that into the side of the machine. Next, check to make sure that your air filter is in place. The machine will come with one in it. And lastly, you just need to connect your mask. Now you're ready to put it on and start your night. Before we actually get into the menu settings, if you're in need of any CPAP accessories to go with your Airsense 10, like masks, tubing, cleaning products, please go visit shop.sleepdoctor.com or check out our links below in the description. Next, we're going to walk through your menu settings. You're going to see some menus on the front of your screen. The first one will be the My Options menu. The My Options menu gives you access to comfort features that you can adjust on your device. So to access menus on the Airsense 10, you're going to highlight the menu you want to access blue by turning the knob. So we're going to start with My Options and select the button. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to see all of these lists of things that come up. You're going to highlight what you want to change or you want to look at in blue, and then you're going to click on it. The first thing we see is the ramp time. What a ramp time does is it allows for the machine to drop to the lowest pressure setting and slowly increase to your set or starting pressure once you've fallen asleep. This allows for you to more comfortably adjust to CPAP. Now you can change this by clicking on it, and you're going to turn the knob to select your time. So you can do auto or you can do time. It goes anywhere from 45 minutes to as low as 5 minutes, or you can even turn it off if you decide you don't want that feature on. So simply select what you want, and you're going to hit the button to lock that in place. So the next one you're going to see is climate control and tube temperature, which right now are set in auto. In auto, the machine is automatically adjusting to give you 85% humidity. If you feel like you need more moisture, or maybe you want to make the temperature a little cooler, you can adjust those things. So you're going to click on climate control, scroll down to hit manual, and select that. Now you will see a tube temperature and a humidity level that have popped up. Click on your tube temperature and you can dial that to whatever temperature you prefer. Click the button to lock it in place. Next is your humidity level. You'll click on this and now you can turn the knob to go up or down to give you more moisture if you're feeling dried out, or you can do less moisture. Dial the button where you like it, click the button to lock it in. To go back to those auto settings, you simply need to go up to climate control, click on it again and select auto. And now you'll do the same for your tube temperature. Scroll down to it, click on there, scroll around till you hit auto, and click it to lock it in place. The next thing you'll see is your mask type. Click on this and select which type of mask you have, whether it's nasal pillows, full face, or nasal. Click the button to lock that in. You will also notice that you see a run mask fit and a run warm up. Your run mask fit, if you click on that, allows you to check the fitting of your mask to ensure a proper seal. So before you start your night, put your mask on, click on Run Mask Fit, and it's going to run a bunch of pressure to your mask. You'll see that you get a sad face if the mask is leaking. Simply adjust the mask until you see a green smiley face. Once the machine is smiling and happy, you're happy. So now you're ready to sleep for the night. Click Stop, and that will end your mask fitting. The next thing you'll see is a run warm up. That is going to allow you to preheat your humidifier to get your water warmed up for the night. Simply click that button and it's going to run your preheat for about 15 to 20 minutes. Hit your house, and that takes you back to those main menus. The next menu that you're going to see is your sleep report. Turn your knob to highlight the sleep report blue. Click on it, and now you can see details from your night before. So this menu, you're going to see how many hours of usage you've had, how well your mask sealed, and how well your humidifier worked. If you get a sad face on your mask seal, that means you need to do some work on that seal to make sure that you get a proper fit. If you see a sad face on the humidifier, please check to make sure that the humidifier is getting warm and that everything looks to be in working order. If it is not, please contact your provider. To access an additional menu to give you some more details in that sleep report, you simply need to get into the clinical setting. You're going to hold down your house and your push button here at the same time for 3 to 5 seconds, and now you're going to see a settings menu appear. Please do not change anything in the clinical setting other than the items we tell you to. Click on settings, and you're going to scroll all the way down until you see essentials. Once you click see essentials, it will be in the on mode. We're going to click on that and change it to plus. Now, once you've activated plus, you can hit the house, and then you're going to scroll up to exit clinical menu. Now, when you go down to that sleep report, you are going to see how many hours you've used it, but now you're also going to see how many respiratory events you've had per hour, along with how well your mask sealed and how well your humidifier was working. You can see more details by scrolling even further down. You can see how many days you've used it, your average usage, your pressure settings, how much your mask is leaking, what your AHI or your events per hour are, and total AHI. If you click the house, it will take you back to those main settings. So another nice feature of the ResMed Airsense 10 is it does have the capability to download the MyAir app. The MyAir app allows you to see details of your night before and how you've been doing on your machine from the ease of your phone. The ResMed Airsense 10 is a very sturdy, strong machine that should last you for many years. It has a knob and push button feature to get through the menus, which makes it easy to use for most patients. It's a very quiet device, it's very easy to care for and clean, and it also comes with a case for you to travel with. As far as price goes, it is our lowest priced option in the ResMed line. So let's talk about care and cleaning. Why is it important to keep your device clean? Well, cleaning your device eliminates any bacteria that may build up in the tank or in the hose, and it increases the overall longevity of your device. You're going to want to clean your tank and your mask and your hose with warm soapy water every week. Be sure to change your water in the water chamber daily, and you're going to want to make sure that you change your air filter every month. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and be sure to subscribe to the channel. We have a ton of CPAP content, including in-depth machine and individual mask reviews, as well as videos that cover a variety of questions that you may have regarding your sleep apnea therapy. And if you're looking for a refresher on how this CPAP therapy actually works, check out our video here that covers the fundamentals on everything a CPAP machine was made for. All right, everyone, thanks for watching. Sleep well.